Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax returns online, step by step. First, you need to gather all your essential tax documents. This includes income statements, deduction records, and any other relevant financial paperwork. Next, select a reputable online tax filing service that suits your needs, whether it's a free option or a paid one. Finally, familiarize yourself with the various filing options, such as federal and state returns, to ensure you choose correctly. Start by collecting all your income documents, such as your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget to gather records for potential deductions, like mortgage interest, student loan interest, or charitable contributions. Once your documents are ready, choose a tax software that aligns with your filing complexity. Many popular services offer different tiers, so pick one that provides the features you need for your specific situation.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like for more useful content. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enjoy music, get answers, and control smart home devices with just your voice. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to accurately input all your financial information into the chosen tax software. Follow the prompts carefully, entering details from your W-2, 1099s, and deduction records. After entering everything, take your time to double-check all entries for any potential errors or typos. A small mistake can lead to big problems. Finally, review your entire tax return summary to ensure everything looks correct and you haven't missed anything important. Once you are confident that your tax return is accurate, you can electronically sign and submit it through the software. The process is usually straightforward, guiding you through the final steps. After submission, you will receive a confirmation that your return was successfully filed, often within 24 to 48 hours. It is crucial to keep copies of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years, just in case you need them later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.